Today I wanted to go over how to use the Milton mini taps correctly. The Milton taps are a convenient way to disinfect your cup without the use of boiling water. It is very important that you use the correct ratio of water to taps. 1 mini tap per 100 milliliters of water. You do not need to use our MeLuna disinfection cups for this if you have a suitable container. The problem will be most likely that you will need to use more taps if you use your own container. 1 mini tap per 100 milliliters of water, and our disinfection cup holds exactly 100 milliliters of water and is perfectly shaped to hold your MeLuna cup. You can see it floats, so after about 15 minutes this cup is disinfected. If you're using your own container, you will also need to add enough water for it to float. For this container, that means 200 milliliters of water, and you will need to use 2 Milton taps. You can use fewer Milton taps and save yourself money in the long run if you choose either our MeLuna disinfection cup or a container very similar to it to limit the amount of water to 100 milliliters.